Hello YouTube friends, and we're experiencing Hurricane Nate, and I lost my little buddy, which y'all already know. It's my little cat, Bama, and made me kind of sad. He didn't come back. He was real sick, lost a lot of weight, couldn't figure out what was going on with him. He was eating like a horse though. Something was getting his nutrients and made him skinny as a rail, like he was starving to death. I think someone poisoned him with some antifreeze or something. And if you out there doing this crap, poisoning cats like that, poisoning any kind of animals like that, I despise you. I really do. But Bama was a good cat. He didn't get in nobody's way or anything. He stayed out of everybody's way. He didn't meow a lot. He just sat in there and he was so patient. He sat in there and waited till he was fed. And I kind of hate it. I felt like I lost my best friend. Well, I do miss my little cat. And wherever you are, Bama, I know you're getting taken care of. I know you ran off and died, because that's the only possibility. I couldn't find you nowhere. And like I said, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, and thanks for watching.